Alright, time for another video. Been a little while since I put one up. Just to show you guys what all I've been working on. This is an 87 f150. It was a service truck. I got the radio out of it because it didn't work. Overall, it's in pretty good shape. It's geared really low. I mean, this had the nap hide toolbox back here, and I took that off, sold that. Just got rid of it, didn't need it anyway. The suspension on this thing looks like it's pretty tough. I mean, it looks like it'll hold quite a bit. I want to say that's 3/4 ton. I'm not sure. Dual tanks. Just overall, I mean, pretty tight. But anyway, got the bed off, and there's the hitch. But what I've been working on is a flatbed for those flipping things over there. Tired of yanking a trailer that's 30 feet flipping long, so we're going to do a flatbed. And here's the flatbed. This is 10'2" by 8'2" wide, so 10'2" long, 8'2" inches wide, 2x2, 1/8" square tube. Overall, turned out pretty good so far. The decking is going to be the 4x8 sheets, 1/8" thick tread plate, or you know, the diamond stuff. But each section there, that's 4 foot by 8. This is 4x8, and this is 2x8. And then in the back, put some of the diamond plate up here, aluminum. Moved a hitch back to there. There's the adapter that's going to go from the back side of this, right there. That's going to go into the receiver, and it's going to be all bolted, so you can get the bed off if you ever need to take the bed off. These right here I made up. They're gonna go right there, one there and one there, with a metal tube going across there. With these Dayton bearings, they're pretty good bearings, and that's gonna spin so that when I have the winch up there, the winch cable comes back, and if I got to winch one of them things up, because it does sit a little high, and my ramps are only 6 foot, the cable won't rub on the bed frame, so you won't tear up the cable or the bed, but the cable will go first. I got a whole load of truck light LEDs. Yeah, it's going to be a rolling Christmas tree back here when I get done with it, and LEDs down the side. So that's where that's at right now. I got a real mess going on in here, but yes, that's full of beer, in case you're wondering. I need to change that beer. But yeah. If you got any questions, comments, or anything like that, go ahead and post them. I'll try to answer them as soon as I can. Oh yeah, and these frame rails, these frame rails are 35 inches on center, if anybody's ever wondering. And a 2-inch difference between the back and the front. So you need a 4-inch spacer in the front and 2-inch in the back, and that will allow the rail to run about an 1/8 inch above this right here, so you won't pinch off your fuel hoses. But questions, comments, let me know. Thanks.